Happy 4th of July. July 4th, 2020. This guy got work. But we're gonna go ahead and hit up this cruise actually. Short notice, but we're gonna head out, bring the CBR out today. All right, guys, so we'll see you guys in a bit. All right. I mean, I haven't been on this thing in a minute. Oh man, I forgot how loud this bike is. All right, we are here at our local spot. Cars are rolling in. About a year ago, I was part of this car thing, and now I'm on the bike thing. So I know what to expect here and there. People get kind of rowdy. We got this little foreign object right here. Your normal G. A couple of Subis with some 1552s. Here's the muscles and the Supra. What's up, fellas? Happy 4th.
Happy 4th, bro.
Nice ride, brother. Noel, you thought that girl in the Subi was a girl. That was a dude. And there's my boy's Porsche. Alright, guys. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Time to go. Alright, back on the helmet cam, guys. We're gonna go ahead and cruise this rowdy bunch all the way to Knight's Ferry. Hopefully everything's all good. It's for 4th of July, so it should be all good. Yeah. Yeah. Told you it's a dude. I want to check this Supra out right here. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go this way and just cut on River Road. Yeah, real good. Bike is extended, so I can feel it fighting me around the corners for sure, but it's not as bad as people think, you know what I mean? bike in a long while. Been on a Gixxer a lot, so. But every time I ride this thing, man, I just fall for it every time. I don't know, it just sounds crispier, you know. The throttle is like way more responsive. The power delivery is like insane for it. And it's, like I said, it's only a 600, so. But for some reason, I feel it like way more. I feel the power way more in this bike. Man, those guys got lost. Those guys got hella lost. They didn't know where to go. Alright guys, again, happy 4th of July. Here with the crew, nice ferry. We were with a bunch of cars, but man, I didn't know where the heck they were going. I didn't know which route they were going. There's a few certain ways to get to the spot we're going to. But you know, they were like doing U-turns and making wrong corners and everything, so I have no idea. Oh, I want one of those. Are they cool? Like one person? Oh, okay. Oh man, I think it's sick. Alright guys, we're here at Nice Ferry. These guys are just rolling in right now. We're probably gonna get kicked out because there's a bunch of us. I know, right? Alright man, so not bad, not bad. Happy 4th of July guys. So after the sheriff chased out all the people though, all the cars that came through here, we're still here just chilling. We're probably gonna head home, do some family time, so that was a pretty good ride. At least we didn't have to slow down for anyone. But happy 4th and everyone be safe.